not just a story, it's a living, breathing, walking testimony of a God so good he'd leave his home in glory for the world he loved, for the world that he so loved. Hey, it's not just a story. Yeah. I believe in the life of Jesus. I believe that he conquered death. I believe in the resurrection. I believe he's coming back again. I believe that his spirit's with us. I believe that he gives us power. I believe that he is the Son of God. I believe it. I believe it. I believe it. I believe it. I believe in the life of Jesus. I believe it. I believe it. I believe it. I can't deny it. If I said I got here on my own, I'd be lying. 'Cause my eyes have seen the goodness of the Father. Oh, we're the ones he loves. We're the ones that he so loves. Oh, and I can't deny it. Oh, no, say, I believe in the life of Jesus. I believe that he conquered death. I believe in the resurrection. I believe he's coming back again. I believe that his spirit's with us. I believe that he gives us power. I believe that he is the Son of God. I believe it. I believe it. I believe it. I believe it. I believe in the life of Jesus. I believe it. I believe it. I believe it. We cry holy, holy, let the earth rejoice. He is worthy of all praise. Yeah. We cry holy, holy, let the earth rejoice. He is worthy of all praise. Yes, he is. Oh, I believe in the life of Jesus. I believe that he conquered death. I believe in the resurrection. I believe, say, I believe that his spirit's with us. I believe that he gives us power. I believe he is the Son of God. I believe it. I believe it. I believe. I believe in the life of Jesus. I believe in the life of Jesus. I believe. Yes, I do. Oh, I believe. enough, good enough, good enough.
You've been losing sleep, crying in the dark, trying to hold the weight of a broken heart. You smile for the world, but inside it's pain. You pray but feel like nothing's changed. You're trying to fix it, trying to stay strong, but some battles ain't yours to fight alone. You've done all you can, now here's the key. Peace starts when you set it free. Let go, let God, He already knows every tear, every burden, every low. You were meant to break just to prove you tried. Some storms are only His to fight. It ain't worth your peace, it ain't worth your tears. You don't have to carry what He's willing to clear. Take your hands off, let Him do His part. Let go and let God. You keep blaming yourself for what you couldn't change. Keep rehearsing the past, reliving the pain. But healing don't come from holding on tight. Sometimes strength is knowing when to surrender the fight. It's okay to fall, it's okay to rest. It's okay to say, Lord, I did my best. Now watch how He moves when you step aside. Sometimes your silence gives Him room to provide. Let go, let God, give Him control. It ain't your job to carry every soul. You weren't built to bleed for every scar. Some things are only healed by who God is, not who you are. It ain't worth your joy, it ain't worth the stress. You deserve peace, you deserve rest. So lift your hands up and soften your heart. Let go. And let God. You prayed for answers, this is one. Letting go don't mean you gave up. It means you gave it over. You finally trusted that He got you. Now breathe, let it be. Let go, let God. He never fails, even when life feels like hell. You don't need to carry what's crushing your soul. You just need to trust and let it go. Your peace is sacred, your heart deserves light, and joy don't have to come with a fight. So walk away, even if it's hard. Let go and let God.
Where are you now when darkness seems to win? Where are you now when the world is crumbling? Oh, I hear you say, I hear you say, look up, child.